when you're done with your couch, don't go throwing it back here. You take it to the dump. All right, we're gonna call this in for pickup, and hopefully it doesn't flood this high. If it does, then we got bigger problems. All right, guys, it's been a few weeks. The snow is melted, and we're getting out for a little cleanup today. There's a couple bumpers up that way I wanted to grab. This is Ridge again. Just gonna pick up some of this trash tossed out of cars, and then I saw some furniture dumped down Furnace Road and River Road the other day, so we're gonna go grab that. 2 car bumpers and some other trash, so it'll be a multiple stop cleanup today. So we're just gonna walk down here and grab all this plastic crap for starters that people toss out of their cars. Oh my god, man. What is all this crap? Well, at least we got a plastic bag ban. That should help, right? Maybe. I shopped at Costco. I've never had a bag issued to me, so I don't see what the big deal is. Apparently it was a constitutional right we lost to have bags handed to us at the grocery store. All right, let's stop rambling and clean up this stuff. Clean up this little area here. We're going to take all this stuff back to the truck and then head down towards the bridge. What's the story with this? Tossed out of a car. Strange. So they're still building houses. These used to be all trees, and every time I come here there's all this damn construction debris that's blown over here. I don't know, you guys tell me, if you have your neighborhood and you see trash, do you guys go clean it up? Like if there's a bunch of trash across the street, or do you just leave it forever? Do you not care? I personally care and pick it up, but it seems that most people don't. I'm just kind of curious. In your neck of the woods, what do you do? Oh yeah, shout out to all the new subscribers. It's been a couple weeks since a video because we had some snow and can't see any of the trash. Last weekend it was about 10 to 12 degrees and we did some mountain biking in the snow. It was phenomenal. There were no cleanups. Oh. But this week it hit 75 degrees yesterday. No such thing as global warming, right? Of course it is. So we're out cleaning up again. So, all right, so now we're gonna just pick up some of these cans that Suzanne has left us all the way up. We'll go get these and then we'll move on. Huh?
Should I put like my grabber in the bed?
Yeah, we're gonna move up.
Okay.
These are always fun to find. whole pile of these. Alright, so we're gonna go uphill, clean up this crap up this way, and then there's 2 bumpers about 200 yards on that side. We'll grab those and then we'll go to the furniture. It's dumped up at the train bridge tunnel. A whole shoulder of trash. Oh, what's that? Oh, another bullet shell. Bullet casing. Nice. All these guys. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think I might stick my camera on this tree. So we've got a couple buckets of trash. Just walk downhill and pick up the rest of the cans. So 6 rounds. Very safe area.
How many?
Well, 3, and I had 3 in the truck from last time. Yeah. Bob Ross. Happy little bullet casings. Shells, but then here, is that a bullet still in there?
There's another one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a live round in that one. So I don't know what I do with that.
6, 7.
Where?
Right here.
Maybe I'll use the grabber and pick up the live round. And
there's another one in there.
Where's the live round? It's very peculiar.
There's another.
Alright, there's the live round.
Another.
Where?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, they're all falling out of my pocket. Ah. 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25. There's got to be more. So somebody chose this spot to dump these 2 bumpers. I don't know why, but this is where they are. So we're going to take these. These look like they were just set here. Doesn't look like a car wreck. Let me grab this bag of trash. Car / bumper part. Oh man. What a mess. Maybe this was a wreck. I don't know. Grab this. Grab this. Shit bag deposit. Ooh, there's another part of a bumper over there. Maybe I'll pile all this up at the bottom.
We will do what we will do wherever we do it.
All right, now we're gonna go walk up this hill. It's always nice finding some Rhino, super long lasting, 69 extreme, 55K. This is like the second or third I found on this road. Interesting. There's Deep Run. Oh, is there more car parts?
Yeah.
Probably. Get down there and get that. Maybe I'll just pull the truck up and pick all this stuff up later. That's probably what happened. It probably like rolled and went down there and yeah, I could see it. Oh yeah. I guess I'll go down there and take a look. Yeah. Yeah.
Go back, get a bag.
I got 2 bags on me. You just go down here. All right, so we're gonna go down here and pick up whatever car parts we can. There's a milk crate and some other plastic crap, so let's go get that stuff now. So we got a bunch of car parts. Got a milk crate. Let's put some trash in the bag and all right, we're gonna continue up the hill.
There's definitely more under all the leaves. Every once in a while when I'm walking.
Oh, looks like we got a donation. Thanks for the donation, mystery car.
Thank you for what you're doing.
Thanks so much.
Yep.
It's a weekly process. Hey, we got a donation, y'all.
Oh, give each of us one?
Heyday. $5. Okay, hey, $5. Hey, thanks, mystery car person. Mud. These bottle cans. All right, we're turning around, heading back to the truck, and we're pretty full on plastic bucket, or plastic trash in the bucket, and half a bucket of cans. So we're gonna try to make it without having to leave any more trash behind. Don't throw your cigarette cartons out of your car. Take them with you. Throw them out at the gas station. Because I guess I'll carry this down to the crate in the other bag. So I won't have many hands. So I'll just pick up the cans, yeah. Milk crate full of car parts, crash car. So we're gonna probably get the truck and come pick this stuff up, because I don't feel like dragging it all the way to the truck. Although it's not that far, but It's probably easier just to stop here and load it up and then take it back down. Yup. All right. Pile of car parts. Spin around somehow. 2 bumpers, bunch of car parts, 4 bags of trash in this area, and hopefully we can get this picked up before it all floods and washes away. All right, change of plans. It's supposed to rain like 2 inches overnight, so we're going to move this stuff to high ground so it doesn't wash away, because this is a floodplain. It'll probably flood, and I don't want to lose all this garbage. I don't want it to all be washed away. So we're going to load it up, take the high ground, and clean up some dump furniture up there. All right, load it up. Going to the next spot. All right, so got it loaded up. We're going to just drag all this stuff out to the shoulder and pile up all this stuff with it, get it out of the floodplain. But somebody illegally dumped all this crap, which is awesome. Unnecessary, totally unnecessary. Tires, dead, just unnecessary. Bag.
Dead raccoon?
Dead raccoon. Yeah. All right, well, first things first, let's empty the truck. Always be careful. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. That 7th bag was there. 2 bumpers, some car parts, couch, cabinet, old dresser thing, 2 tires. Some dumped here. The bags are all plastic trash thrown out of cars over the last couple weeks. Extraordinarily high traffic here. When you're done with your couch, don't go throwing it back here. You take it to the dump. All right, we're gonna call this in for pickup, and hopefully it doesn't flood this high. If it does, then we got bigger problems. So, no dumping, We got a mattress and a bag and some kerosene jugs. So,
They don't look at it.
well, at least they left us a bag.
No. Well, a mattress. He's dirty pulling it though.
Gary, I need you to make me another one. Bunch of pallets and crap. Pallets wrapped in plastic, bags, trash. It's gonna be a nightmare. Alright, so this is River Road, the famous dumping spot. Got a mattress, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pallets, and a bunch of trash piled up. So we're gonna go to the last spot here and grab this last mattress. So naturally, this is where furniture goes. Isn't that much though, compared to last time. Got a nice sheet. Anybody looking for a sheet for sale? Fitted sheet? All right, let's spear this guy and drag it off here real quick. Stand here. Ugh. Don't want to break our grabber rod. All right, just gonna do a quick can pickup and then we're out of here. Alright guys, we're done. Hope you enjoyed today's cleanup. Been a couple weeks, but snow's melted and it's warm now, so we can clean up some more. Yeah. See what we got. This pile is just a dresser, mattress, another pile up there, and the big pile back there. We're traveling in February for a couple weeks, going snowboarding in Colorado, so there won't be as many cleanups, but hopefully y'all can pick up the slack for me. Get out there and clean up your community and post and tell me how it goes. So let's take a picture of this. But all right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Today it's been about 4-hour cleanup, 4 hours, 4:42. We left at 12:40, so long one. All right, y'all, catch you in the next one.